These days, cafe culture is really in and we always go to cafes and order cold coffee. We do order it, but later we feel that it's too expensive, so today we're making cold coffee at home. We'll make it in the same fancy way, and not just one, I'm making it in two ways. We'll make one with regular sugar, and the other cold coffee will be made with no sugar, but it will still be sweet. So let's make the first cold coffee. We'll make it with sugar. For that, I've taken 2 tablespoons of sugar here, and along with that, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. You can use any instant coffee you like, so first take a mixing bowl or any mug. I'll add the sugar to it. I've taken 2 tablespoons here and it will go in along with it. I've used 2 teaspoons of instant coffee here, and now just add about 2 spoonfuls of water to it. I've taken slightly warm water here. If you have an electric frother like this, your work will become much easier. You can mix the coffee in just 2 minutes, but if you don't have this, you can also use a hand whisk like this to whisk it. It will just take a little more time. I'll show you how to mix it using this hand whisk right now. See, I've been whisking this for 10 minutes now and it's become quite frothy. We need it exactly like this. That's why I said that if you use a hand whisk, it will take quite some time, but the result is really very good. But if you have that electric frother, you can easily make this coffee in just 2 minutes. If you have finished this whipping step, that means you have completed 90% of the work. If you want a tasty coffee like the one from a cafe, then this part is very important. After this, it's very easy, so let's quickly serve the coffee now. For this, I have taken a very interesting glass. Now, since we're making fancy coffee, you can also serve it in a normal glass. But that cafe feeling only comes in such a fun glass. So let's use a glass like this. First, I'll add it, and now let's pour it. The milk is completely chilled. Here, instead of regular milk, you can also use oat milk or almond milk if you want. You can adjust the quantity of milk according to your cup. Here, I've taken approximately 3/4 of a cup of milk and will pour it on top. Whipped coffee. So here you go, delicious cafe-style cold coffee is ready, and this extra whipped coffee that is left over. You can easily store this in an airtight container in the fridge for about 3 days, and now it's time. The coffee without sugar will be just as sweet, so to make sugar-free cold coffee, I have taken the same 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder here, and instead of sugar, I am using this. I had taken approximately 4 dates, soaked them, and then blended them after soaking. So just like that, we take instant coffee in a mug or glass, and along with it, we will add these soaked and blended dates. In the same way, we just add a little bit of water, and now it's time to whisk it. See, this coffee mixture with dates won't be as frothy as the one with sugar, but you'll notice that the volume has still increased a bit and it tastes just as delicious as coffee made with sugar. So in the same way, let's add ice to the serving glass first. Now it's time to pour the milk. Again, I've used regular milk, but you can use almond milk, oat milk, or anything you like. And now let's pour this date and coffee mixture. So here it is, ready. Delicious cafe-style cold coffee, both with sugar and without sugar. Now I'll leave it up to you to decide which one you like. Cheers! I always prefer coffee sweetened with dates without sugar, and trust me, it's really delicious. Prefer it without sugar.